Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The driver of the stuck car was very lucky that he had already left the cabin at that moment. This moment was filmed in Barcelona. Someone thought of taking off in a hot air balloon directly from the city center, but everything did not go according to plan. The balloon could not take off so quickly, and the basket crashed into a nearby house. It's good that no one fell and everything went well. The balloon took off after all. During a severe thunderstorm, people managed to capture an unreal shot. This is definitely a 1 in a million case. Lightning struck the car directly, but the main thing is that no one was injured. I can't imagine what kind of coordination it takes to move so fearlessly and aggressively towards your goal. There is a feeling that the whole city is moving in this stream. I can't even imagine how you can get more adrenaline than venturing down this water slide in Brazil. Instead of running from danger as fast as he could, the man literally decided to look his fear in the eye. Undoubtedly, this is aerobatics. Four garages at the same time simply could not resist the powerful flow of water. I always knew that direct work with fire is dangerous for health and life in general, but I would not think that to such an extent. A large landslide can easily demolish even large trees. The reason why you don't need to get too close to a tornado, even if it seems harmless to you. Ask what the skill of a pilot of the highest level looks like? The answer here, as for me, is unambiguous. He was lucky to dodge a falling tree. This one also passed very timely. Collapsed part of a cliff almost demolished a road in India. Another bridge could not resist the water element. During natural disasters, we don't often think that animals also need our help, like this dog, who was struggling to cross to the other end of the street. This road was blocked in time before a stream of huge stones fell on it. A moment in a million. I'm sure the girl has reviewed this video more than once, because a little more and the consequences could have been completely different. The support of the building could not withstand the pressure, and someone lost their house. Sometimes the destruction does not occur during the natural disaster, but after it, as for example happened to this house. It was an incredibly dangerous moment. The hungry shark did not appreciate the diver's interest in her own person and tried to show by all means that she was not happy with the stranger. Another rockfall on one of the islands of the Philippines. But judging by the workers on the video, everyone was ready for this. It is extremely doubtful that even one whole street will remain in this city after the flood. Here are a few moments when the camera managed to capture lightning hitting the plane. It looks very scary. The people in this video were lucky that they were able to react in time and run away, and the owner of the car was also lucky, who carefully braked just before disaster. The man dragged a cart with bags of cement into the elevator, but as soon as he got out, the elevator broke off and flew. It's definitely his second birthday today. I can imagine how surprised he was when his car flew up a few meters in an instant. A boat tour among the beautiful rocks almost ended in tragedy. Sandstorms are incredibly spectacular phenomena, but being outside during such a storm can be dangerous not only for your health, but also for your life. In a few seconds, a cozy, beautiful street turned into a branch of hell on earth. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.